Hey, well, I'm gonna do a real quick video so the attachment size isn't too big, but I'm in my Square dashboard right now. If you look at the Hanover location, it's got a balance of the 661.47. You look at the Bedford location, it's got the same exact number, which is odd in itself. But really, what convinced me that this is incorrect was when you click into the loan, you scroll all the way down, and you see that the deposit amount was on October 16th, 2023 for 41,283. That in itself uh, is because there was an outstanding balance, which is why that dollar amount is not a round number. If we go back out, you'll see the previous loan history. If we switch to the Bedford location and we scroll down, what you'll see is once this loads, obviously this location never taken out any loans before. We click on it, those loans would have been right there. If we scroll all the way down, that 41,283 number is the same exact. That's too much of a coincidence, obviously. Same date, same dollar amount. And if it was their first loan, it would have been a round number. So putting all these dots together, obvious answer is there's some kind of record keeping error here at a minimum. I am hoping that his sales have not been subtracted by these dollar amounts, but if they have been, that's problematic, and that's what we'll need to be. But we'll see what the case is.